Today we're going to talk about vegetable tanning in leather. Of course, that's not how it's done. We're going to describe how vegetable tan leathers are done today. According to my leather Bible that I go to at every question I have, tanning is converting the rawhide protein fibers into a permanently stable form so the leather doesn't putrefy anymore. It's a stable fabric that we can continue using for the rest of our lives. One of the oldest and most natural forms is vegetable tanning, which means the tannins we use in this process is coming from vegetable sources like the fruits, barks, or leaves of some trees that contain heavy tannin content. Those barks, leaves are soaked in the water to leach out those tannins as a chemical form, then isolate them, either put them in an extracted powder form or in some cases a liquid form that can be used to tan the leathers in the tannery going forward. I am sure you have tasted these little things that we call tannins in your life. Where? Probably in your tea, right here. If you brew a black tea strong enough, intense tannins in tea starts tanning the proteins in your tongue. It usually makes a little bit more stiffer wood characteristic. They have a shinier on the grain side. They tend to oxidize quickly with interaction with air and sunlight. So your vegetable tan leathers will always get darkened to a dark brown color in their lifetime.